Welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to remove Google Lock from Motorola Moto G 2025. So my model, it is XT2513-1 and I'm testing it and it works perfectly on my side, and then that's why I decided to share with you guys. It has a MediaTek processor, so it means that we will need to install the drivers for it. So install MediaTek Drivers. Go to Google, search for download MediaTek Drivers and open this first result. So this is where I found my driver to install. So just scroll down, find the orange one, the orange download button over here, and then scroll down again, click again on the orange download option. Something will start downloading. Click on the file that has been already downloaded, open it, and you have this one, the setup file, MTK driver setup. Tap on run, go next, install, click on yes, and the installation will start. So basically this will install very fast, but it depends on your computer speed. If you have a slow computer, it might take like 2 or 3 minutes, but in my case it will take less than 1 minute. Okay, so now it is done. Click finish. Perfect. So the second step that we need to do is we need to download the tool. The tool, it is called TSM Tool. So to download it, just go on google.com and search for TSM Tool. Okay, TSM Tool. Here we are. The first one is our tool. So just click on this one and the main screen of the tool will open. Tap on the main on the top left corner on the 3 lines over here. Okay, here we are, and we have the download option, third from the bottom. So just click on the third from the bottom, and over here we will have 2 applications. We need to select the second version. So this is the version that we're gonna have to download. After that, choose one of the servers for download. I'm gonna choose Mega Download. You have the download option on the top right corner over here. So tap on download and it will start. This will take a while depending on the computer speed. If you have fast internet connection, it will take just a couple of seconds, just like it happened in my case. Once it is downloaded, you need to open the file. We will have the installation file inside it. So click on open, tap on more info over here and hit run anyway. Okay, so hit create a desktop shortcut, go next, install, and then hit finish. Okay, so the installation is pretty fast. Now the next step, what you need to do, you need to open the software on the computer. When I click finish, I automatically open it. So the software is already opening. It will show a bunch of ads, like you see YouTube and stuff like that. And we will go to the login screen. Now this is a paid tool and I have a subscription for it, but if you don't want to pay it, you can just rent it on the alviral.company.site. There is a website which gives TSM Tool and some other tools for rent. Okay, so as you see on the right, this is the procedure how you can rent it if you need it. Anyway, I just signed in with my account over here on the TSM Tool and it is pretty easy to use. On the left, what you need to do is go to brand and select Motorola. Okay, and then click on remove FRP. The steps are pretty easy. Just power off the device, and then when the device is off, connect the cable. Just like that, the device will be recognized by the software automatically. So one more time, power off the device, and when the device is completely off, connect the cable of the device with the computer. Okay, so let me do that right now. Device is off, I just connected, and it will take just a couple of seconds. You will see same thing like I'm seeing on the computer, and on the bottom you should see removing FRP lock, okay, and the device will automatically start itself. So that's it. It is pretty easy. The steps it will show same steps if you have the driver installed or if you do it properly like I did. Okay guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video will help you.